Whoa, this is what happens with dogs when there's fireworks. It scares them really bad. See how scared they're? Oh, look at it, isn't it pretty? Actually, she needs it, she's scared. Oh, look at it, they're comforting their dogs.
It's pretty. Yay, all the dogs are happy.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. So cute. Look at the fireworks. It's so pretty. Yay!
Sheila, she got really scared, but now she's happy.
Oh, it scares doggies really bad. Are you scared, Shayla? Shayla, are you scared? Oh. Oh. Look at, oh my goodness, she's scared. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, all the puppies are scared too. Look at it, the dog's still running because she's scared. Oh, poor doggy. You guys see the fireworks about over there too? That's a different school. That dog's still running.